Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Fusion Energi. Stock number is A6856. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that's provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.